There are four important processes. There are four important processes that take place in the nitrogen cycle. When nitrogen cycle takes place in our ecosystem on the earth, there are four processes that happen in this nitrogen cycle. The four processes are nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. In every nitrogen cycle, these four processes will be completed. What happens in nitrogen fixation? The nitrogen which is present as gas, it is converted into nitrates and nitrites. That means nitrogen compounds. Next step is ammonification. In ammonification, there is release of ammonia through decomposition. Decomposition happens of which substances? The dead plants and animals, remains of plants and animals. When decomposition of those things takes place, ammonia is released. Ammonia is again a source of nitrogen. Third process is nitrification. What happens in nitrification is this ammonia is first converted into nitrite and then into nitrates. That means if we want nitrogen compounds, ammonia has to get converted into nitrite and nitrates. Who does this? The microorganisms, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Next, denitrification. Denitrification is the nitrogen compounds are converted into nitrogen gas. That means the cycle will get repeated again. So we call it as, see, when nitrogen fixation started, what it used in the beginning? The nitrogen gas. And at the end, in denitrification, again we are getting nitrogen gas. So the cycle repeats. Hence it is called as a nitrogen cycle. Now these nitrogen compounds, that means nitrates and nitrites, when they are extra in the atmosphere, in the soil, then they are converted into nitrogen gas. Otherwise they are being used by plants.